Buen día, clase. This is just a short video to help you get started and get through our first presentación oral. For this class, we're going to be the first presentation is on a descripción personal. I'm not going to read the individual instructions. You can do that. Just please pay attention to the fact that there are 3 separate due dates for this activity. One where you will post your original video segment of you answering these or more questions that you can think of. Okay. The second due date is when you will be posting questions to other people in the class. So you're supposed to ask 5 separate questions of 5 different people, meaning when I say 5 separate questions, that means you might ask somebody, ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? If you've asked that question, you can't ask it again. Okay, so please make sure and have a variety of questions. We've been practicing a lot in our book, so you'll be able to use all of those that you've prepared and more. Okay. One note to remember is that if someone when the time comes to ask people questions and you're going through the discussion board and see that someone already has 5 questions that they've been asked, please move on to someone else who doesn't. Okay. And remember, there's a separate due date to that. So the third and final due date will be when you are expected to answer the questions that were asked you. So the idea of this presentación oral is that you will say something, people will ask you questions, and you will answer them back. Now again, when you're asking and answering questions, I'll leave that up to you this time as to whether you do them in writing or recording. Okay, because many of you may not have uploaded or recorded media on Canvas before, I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Okay, just by doing individual posts. So you'll come here to the discussions forum. You'll click on the reply and you'll see that a bunch of options show up in the toolbar. Okay, I'm just going to write something. It'd be good to put your name or something in the text area. I'm just going to write Soy el profe Jeff, and you could put your name. See, yo soy Kenzie, or yo soy Chance, or whatever you'd like. Okay. Then you're going to come over here to this button called the studio. Okay. My recommendation is to record your video on your phone or tablet, and it will already be prepared. Then you can transfer it to the computer or even upload it from your phone. I believe I haven't tried it from my phone. I shared it to my computer, and now I'm going to upload it here. But if you would rather just record it on your computer in Canvas, that's fine too. You'll click on the studio button. Okay. And you can see up here where you've got the option to record, or you can add. Okay, so so if you're going to record it, just click the record button and follow the steps. All right, and you'll upload it there. For me, I'm just going to add my video here, find it on my computer. I gave it a name, something besides the number, and then we'll just wait until it uploads. Okay, the upload is complete. Now I just need to select and then click embed. And now my video is embedded. Of course, it might be a little distorted, but that's just part of the game. Okay. Once you're done with that, you can click post, and it's shared with the class, and we can move on from there. Okay, so pretty simple steps. Follow the written instructions here. If you need to reference your book as well, look up Presentación Oral 1 in your textbook. Okay, muy bien. Adiós.